In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Cursor AI in Windows 10 or 11. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is head on over to cursor.com, and now once we're here, there's two ways to download this. So we can click on the download for Windows in the middle of the page, or on the top right, we'll have a little Windows download, either or. So I'm going to click the one in the middle, download for Windows. Now that's going to download in the background here. It's about 130 megabytes in size. So I'm just going to pause this video and get back to you and show you how to install it. Alright, so once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open it up. If it doesn't appear on the top right, go to your download section in your computer and double click and open it. Then from here it will say set up Cursor, so click on I accept the agreement, have a read of this and click next. Now choose where you like to install it. I'm going to keep it where it's suggesting, so click next. Then it will say select start menu folder, where should setup place the program shortcut. Setup will create the program shortcuts in the following start menu folder, so I'm going to keep it there. Click next. Then it'll say select the additional task you like set up to perform while installing Cursor, then click next. So if you want to put an additional icon on your desktop, you can, and then you got other here as well. So then from next, and then click on install. Then it will say preparing to install, so give that a few moments to extract the files and start installing Cursor onto your computer. Alright, then after that we'll say completing the Cursor setup wizard. Setup has finished installing Cursor on your computer. The application may be launched by selecting the installed shortcuts. So you can click finish and launch the Cursor, or you can uncheck it and click finish and open up a later date. So I'm just going to launch Cursor to show you that it's installed successfully. Alright, so there we go. It's been successfully installed onto my computer.